So the first thing I'm going to do is select the existing trunk 96 line type. And then I'm going to draw a polyline using that line type. Now I'm going to select the new trunk 72 line type. I'm going to draw a line with that. And then I'm going to use the extend command. It's my boundary. Then I'm going to draw a new trunk 42 line type. Again, draw a line. This time I'm going to cross the other one and use trim. Then I'm going to grip edit this line type so you can see that it regenerates as I drag. And then I'm going to go and trim this one.